Here are 10 things that happened in the Sui ecosystem in the last week. First, fine art goes on-chain. R2 just dropped Life on Jupiter 2025 as a real-world asset on Sui. SuiHub opens in Athens, a new hub for builders and institutional experimentation, including stock trading tech. Sui Play gears up for September launch, followed by native gaming stablecoin $. Cross-chain names Sui NSD app and SNS enable unified identities both on Sui and Solana. DeLorean token DMC launches, which powers real-world vehicle analytics and reservation systems. NoodlesFi and Astros are bringing high-performance aggregator swaps to Sui. Walrus and OpenGradient are for storing user-owned AI models on-chain. Chainspect integration, which is real-time performance metrics, and they are also now live. xBTC campaign, where OKX teams with MMTFinance and Navi Protocol to bring BTCfi to Sui. And this is the last one, which I did touch on last week, and that's stablecoin transfers, where Sui has now overtaken Solana in monthly volume. So if you are sleeping on Sui, it's time to wake up. Credits to Zach Pumps for putting together this list. Of course, this is my research. Do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.